Hey there. Welcome back to Finance and Blockchain Hub, the go-to destination for all things related to the dynamic intersection of finance and cutting-edge blockchain technology. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. In recent years, NFTs have become a focal point of conversation, revolutionizing the way we perceive and interact with digital assets. Whether you're a seasoned crypto pro or just dipping your toes into the blockchain waters, this deep dive into NFTs will unlock the mysteries behind these unique digital tokens. So, grab your virtual scuba gear as we explore the fascinating universe of NFTs, their underlying technology, and the incredible impact they're having on the worlds of art, music, and beyond. If you're ready to decode the secrets of digital ownership and smart contracts, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Finance and Blockchain Hub for your regular dose of financial insights, and let's dive straight into the captivating realm of NFTs. Ready? Let's go. Now that we've set the stage, let's unravel the mystery behind NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Imagine each NFT as a unique digital snowflake, each one distinct from the other. But what makes them stand out in the vast landscape of digital assets? NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, derive their name from the term non-fungible, meaning they are not interchangeable on a one-to-one basis like traditional currencies. Each NFT holds a distinctive value, making it a one-of-a-kind digital asset. But how does this uniqueness come to life? At the core of NFTs lies blockchain technology, the same secure and transparent system powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These digital tokens are created through a process called minting, where artists and creators transform their digital content into these blockchain-based, one-of-a-kind tokens. The magic happens through cryptographic signatures that ensure the authenticity and ownership of each NFT. This means that whether it's a piece of digital art, a collectible, or even virtual real estate, the ownership and transaction history are securely recorded on the blockchain. It's like having a digital certificate of authenticity for your favorite digital masterpiece. Now, let's delve into the concept of digital ownership, a game changer brought to life by NFTs. Unlike traditional digital files that can be easily copied, pasted, and shared, NFTs grant creators and collectors a new level of ownership. The blockchain acts as an unforgeable ledger, verifying the provenance of the digital asset and ensuring that the true owner is easily traceable. This newfound digital ownership has not only empowered creators to monetize their work directly but has also opened up new avenues for collectors to invest in and truly own a piece of digital history. But the real magic doesn't stop there. Stick around as we explore the fascinating world of NFT transactions, the role of smart contracts, and how NFTs are reshaping the creative landscape. Ready to unlock the next level of your NFT knowledge? Let's continue our deep dive into the world of non-fungible tokens right here on Finance and Blockchain Hub. Before we continue our journey into the fascinating world of NFTs, let me introduce you to our incredible sponsor, Stake.com, the ultimate destination for crypto enthusiasts looking to elevate their gaming experience. At Stake.com, you can immerse yourself in the thrill of both crypto casino games and a sportsbook, all in one platform. Enjoy seamless transactions with various cryptocurrencies and experience top-notch security. With a user-friendly interface and a wide array of games, Stake.com is not just a casino, it's a lifestyle for those who appreciate the fusion of technology and entertainment. Click the link in the description to discover a new era of online gaming with Stake.com, where every bet is a chance to redefine your winning story. How NFTs work. We've grasped the essence of these unique digital assets and their role in the blockchain ecosystem. Now, let's unveil the inner workings of NFTs and explore how these digital wonders come to life. So, how do NFTs work? Creation and minting. NFTs begin their journey with the process known as minting. Artists and creators leverage specialized platforms to transform their digital content into one-of-a-kind NFTs. This could be anything from digital art, music, videos, to virtual real estate. Blockchain technology. The real magic happens on the blockchain. NFTs are built upon the secure and transparent foundation of blockchain technology. The blockchain ensures the integrity, security, and transparency of every NFT transaction. Cryptographic signatures. Each NFT carries a unique cryptographic signature that acts as a digital certificate of authenticity. This signature is what makes each token truly distinct and verifiable on the blockchain. It's the key to proving ownership and establishing the authenticity of a digital asset. Ownership and transaction records. The blockchain keeps an immutable record of ownership and transaction history for each NFT. This creates a transparent and unforgeable ledger, ensuring that the provenance of the digital asset can be easily traced. It's a revolutionary shift in how we establish and verify digital ownership. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of NFT transactions. Buying and selling. Interested buyers can acquire NFTs by purchasing them using cryptocurrency. This transaction is securely recorded on the blockchain, establishing a clear chain of ownership. Smart contracts. Here's where the smart in smart contracts comes into play. Smart contracts, self-executing agreements with the terms of the contract directly written into code, automate various processes in the NFT ecosystem. They ensure that creators receive royalties every time their NFT is resold. This has created a more sustainable model for artists and creators, enabling them to benefit from the resale of their work. Success stories and challenges. By now, we've uncovered the essence of NFTs, unique digital assets on the blockchain. Now, let's shine a spotlight on the success stories that have defined this exciting landscape and the challenges that come hand in hand. First up, let's celebrate the triumphs. NFTs have provided a platform for creators like never before. Visionary artists, musicians, and even mainstream brands have embraced NFTs, turning the digital space into a vibrant marketplace. Take the remarkable case of digital artist Beeple, whose NFT artwork sold for millions, or musicians dropping exclusive NFT albums, forging direct connections with their fan base. These success stories extend beyond the traditional realms of art and music. Virtual real estate, digital collectibles, and even tweets have found their place in the NFT marketplace. It's a testament to the versatility and limitless potential of NFTs, offering creators a direct and often more lucrative route to monetize their digital creations. However, no discussion would be complete without acknowledging the challenges. NFTs have faced their fair share of criticism, notably regarding environmental concerns due to the energy consumption of blockchain networks. It's a critical point that prompts us to question the sustainability of the current models and explore potential solutions for a greener, more eco-friendly NFT landscape. Beyond environmental considerations, concerns about copyright infringement, the potential for market manipulation, and the carbon footprint of blockchain networks have sparked debates within the crypto community. As responsible participants in this space, it's crucial to recognize both the successes and the challenges, fostering a balanced perspective on the impact of NFTs. As we wrap up our exploration into the captivating world of non-fungible tokens, I hope you've gained valuable insights into the power and potential of NFTs in reshaping the digital landscape. From understanding the unique nature of these tokens to delving into the mechanics of blockchain transactions and exploring the success stories and challenges within the NFT space, we've covered a lot of ground. The NFT ecosystem continues to evolve, offering creators new avenues for expression and providing collectors unprecedented opportunities to own a piece of the digital revolution. Now, as we conclude this deep dive, it's important to recognize that the NFT space is dynamic and constantly evolving. The successes are inspiring, the challenges are thought-provoking, and the possibilities are limitless. Whether you're an artist looking to showcase your work, a collector seeking unique digital assets, or simply intrigued by the technology, the NFT space has something for everyone. Before we go, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on NFTs? Are you a creator, collector, or still navigating this digital landscape? Share your insights and experiences in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. If you found this exploration into NFTs valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Finance and Blockchain Hub, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our future explorations into the realms of finance, blockchain, and emerging technologies. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive, and until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and embrace the transformative power of blockchain technology. See you in the next video.